I really want to change in my life.
For me, it was difficult to connect with my feelings.
To express and be heard, to relax, to have fun.
I feel more relaxed, really open, confident.
WOW really supports like a different level of relating actually, because it supports a different level of being.
If I shared my problems or my emotions, I always thought they would become bigger. And I've learned now that they become smaller if I share them with friends.
To be honest, I can't wait to get home so I can tell everyone how much they mean to me and why I love them and what I'm grateful for in them. Like, I just can't wait to do that.
Love, like in capital letters, red.
I wish everyone could do the WOW, so everyone could tell everyone how they love them.
If you want to work on yourself, even if you have a great life and you're happy, if you want to make friends, if you want to learn more about yourself, if you want to have a good time and fun, then you should definitely come to the WOW and have a great time.